Welcome everyone to Any Theory a Minute with me, Malvika Sagar, your go-to destination for quick, insightful burst of media theory and knowledge. Namaste everyone, I am Malvika Sagar, your media educator, and today we are diving into a fascinating topic, the magic bullet theory, also known as the hypodermic needle theory in an Indian context. Let's start by understanding what the magic bullet theory is and how it applies to our diverse and culturally rich Indian context. The magic bullet theory, also known as the hypodermic needle theory, is a communication theory that suggests that media has a powerful direct effect on its audience. In other words, it implies that media messages are like magic bullets that are shot into the minds of the viewers, shaping their thoughts, beliefs, and behaviors. To understand this theory in an Indian context, we need to consider its historical roots. The magic bullet theory was prevalent in the earlier 20th century when mass media, particularly radio and newspapers, were emerging as a dominant form of communication. Now let's apply this theory to India. In a diverse and culturally rich country like ours, can we really consider media as a magic bullet? The answer is not that simple. India is a tapestry of cultures, language, and traditions. What may be considered persuasive or influential in one part of the India might not have the same impact on another. We cannot ignore the regional, linguistic, and cultural nuances that shapes our perceptions and responses to media messages. Bollywood, often dubbed the Dream Factory of India, has played a significant role in shaping our popular culture. However, even here we see that what works in one Bollywood film may not necessarily work in another, as filmmakers adapt their storytelling to suit different audiences' preferences. In digital age, the magic bullet theory faces even greater challenges. With the rise of social media and personalized content, individuals now have more control over what they consume and how they interpret it. The days of a single magic bullet seem to be fading away. So, in conclusion, while the magic bullet theory once held sway, we must acknowledge the complexity of media effects in the Indian context. Our diversity, cultural richness, and changing media landscapes makes clear that the media messages are not the simple magic bullets but rather complex interactions between the content and context. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of magic bullet theory in an Indian context. Now, I would love to hear your thoughts and questions. Let's open the floor for some engaging discussions. If you're hungry for media insights, this channel is one-stop shop. We break down complex theories into bit-sized nuggets, making learning a breeze. So do not forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and share the love by sharing our videos with your fellow knowledge seekers. Let's dive into the fascinating world of media theory together. Stay tuned and let's explore the power of media, one theory at a time. Thank you.